I'm going to keep this a quick one today, but there might be a part two. I do have some scripts I'm installing, and if those complete in time, then I'll also do a part two and get that published. But let's just show you, there's a lot of buzz around faceless videos, and one of those sort of styles of videos is a deepfake, and let's get one of those built out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to load this one, Zuckerberg.mp4, and this is the video. Let's quickly play that for you.
I started building social media to give people a voice. I gave a speech at Georgetown.
And then what we're going to do is we're going to drag that onto the timeline. And then if I scroll down in this video on the basic, we're going to scroll down to lip sync. And this is a pro feature. As you can see, it's got a purple diamond and it is also limited. It's one of the try free. So let's turn it on. And then instead of entering text, what we can do is add the audio. And then I'm going to upload the audio. So what I'm going to try and do is show some of these tools that allow you to clone voices. I used a website to generate this one. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to call it Zuckerfucker. That's a true story. Lots of the top groups on Meta were just deleted, and those people were obviously a bit distraught. Some of those had millions of users, and so this is a public apology from Mark. And let's just scroll down. So over there, I've added the audio, and I'm going to click on generate. So it's going to be 48 credits. It's about 20, so I think it's about 2 credits per second, and I think I've got 1,200 credits per month. So what I want to try and do is open source, but I'm not sure how good that's going to be. There are some other tools as well that do the same sort of stuff. I think you can do this in Hedra, and I may share that as well. And we're going to apply that. That's going to go away, and that's going to take a bit of time. That's processing at the moment. So this might be a good time to go into, let's load up Hedra. Hedra, deepfake. Might have spelled that wrong. Hedra. Let's have a look. Accept all. Let's get in. I think it was Hedra. I might have got the wrong one. To create a video character free, add an audio script to the character reference image below. Option to describe emotions or gestures. Let's see. We've got an audio script. We're going to upload an audio. So I'm going to go on my desktop.
Hey AI group owners, it's Mark. I'm sincerely sorry for deleting some of the largest AI communities on Meta.
I've got 20 seconds, so what I'm doing is I'm just going to get rid of the last bit.
I take full responsibility for this mess. Starting today, I'll be flagellating myself daily in public squares. Feel free to toss some rotten fruit my way. I deserve it.
Let's go to there, and does it let me resize? Yes. So we're going to add to video, and then what I'm going to do, I'm just going to load something on my phone, and this is a slightly different way of doing the same thing. And let me grab this I'm looking for. Let's try this. I'm going to go to Jam, and let's find, so I'm going to go back to my CapCut. Let's take a screenshot of this guy. Let's see, capture area, clipboard. There we go. Brilliant. Save that. And that has been saved to download screenshots. Okay, here we go. Brilliant. Download screenshots. And loads of them in there. I didn't know they all go in that folder. To generate your video. Back to CapCut, see how we're getting on. We're at 57.75%. Here, the videos have generated. Let's take a look. This is Hedra. Yeah, you can see here that the text at the top is got a bit messed up, but let's check the quality of the video.
Hey AI group owners, it's Mark. I'm sincerely sorry for deleting some of the largest AI communities on Meta. I take full responsibility for this mess. Starting today, I'll be flagellating myself daily in public squares. Feel free to toss some rotten fruit my way. I deserve it.
Lip movement was good, but yes, just some distortions in the text on the page. Let's take a look at CapCut, see how that did. We'll go full screen, and this one here, but as you can see the text is a lot better. That remain, and let's take a look at the lip sync.
Hey AI group owners, it's Mark. I'm sincerely sorry for deleting some of the largest AI communities on Meta. I take full responsibility for this mess. Starting today,
the quality of the face I think looks better. It might be just because I'm on the free Hedra plan.
I'll be flagellating myself daily in public squares. Feel free to toss some rotten fruit my way. I deserve it. Let's rebuild trust, one bruised tomato at a time. My team and I royally effed up and been taking too much time writing actual physical llamas around the office. Things just got out of hand, and llama spit was the cause.
A little bit, so llama didn't sound quite right. So when you generate the audio, you can add phonemes, which are Just spell out the words basically. ChatGPT can help with that as well. So just, you might find it as well if you do voice AI. But are the results. Let me know what you thought in the comments, and a fun little project.